is so popular because it's family entertainment. And I suppose now more than ever, people want to come together in a safe environment to be entertained and perhaps to be taken on a different journey.
Are always up for a giggle. They're fantastic, and also because the venue is nice, kind of family friendly and small, it's like I can reach out and they're there, and it's a bit like they're on stage with me and we're sharing a joke and we're having like a little bit of a nudge. It's brilliant.
My favourite moment in last year's show, which was Beauty and the Beast, was when I looked out into the audience and there were loads of little girls dressed up as Belle, and I was just like, this is an incredible moment, and I made sure I pointed to each and every one of them every show.
So I enjoy playing the baddies in panto because I find them a lot of fun. I love winding the children up. I love hearing their boos. I love being centre of attention in the worst way possible. It's a lot of fun, and somebody's got to do it.
People should come and see this show because it's glitzy, it's got glamour.
And hopefully there's going to be a very fabulous happy ending for everybody to enjoy.
Loads of humour from our dame, and sing along with us. It's just going to be great.
Fantastic songs. So book your tickets now.